Yeah. Spot number 1.
Oh.
Yep, gives a moot testimony hardships Western Frontier Line. Yeah. Cool. It's the first spot. So we think this number 2 right here. Just have to find the placard for it. Oh, I like how they did the modern new little lights. Pretty cool. So, properties placed on the National Historic Register. Yeah, pretty cool.
Yeah.
By the number 2. Yeah. It was a hostelry, for gentlemen, commonly called the Bachelor House. Yeah, very cool. Yeah. Wonder if people live there, if it's like a house now. Huh?
I don't know, maybe it's a government building. Oh, we're
Warning, Yankee fan man cave. Huh. So I think this is the church that Wyatt Earp paid for, but never saw built. Yeah, 1882. St. Paul's, constructed in 1882, National Registry site. Pretty. Yep. Very cool. Doesn't look like there's anybody here. Oh, this is number 3.
It's not open.
$5,000.
Build the church?
Yeah. There's a church, and that was probably, what do they call them, rectories or whatever, where the priest, pastor all lived in there. Yeah. Very, very cool. So this is number 4, which is the location, I think, of the gunfight, because this is the actual OK Corral site. The OK Corral. So right in here, the corral was back there. Yep, number 4. The gunfight between the Earps, Doc Holliday, and Clans McClowry's happened here on October 26, 1881, and you're right on Fremont. And I think that's 2nd Street right there. Yep. And then up here.
You walk down to 2nd and take some batteries.
Okay. That's 3rd. Okay, so right there's the Aztec house, and that's 3rd Street in between it, and this is Fremont Street. And then here is the entrance to the deal. But so CS Fly, like I said, CS Fly, if you look at any of those old-timey pictures, he is the guy that took the pictures. And here it is, number 5. Camillus and Molly Fly opened a boarding house photography gallery in the rear of this location. And I'm pretty sure he didn't take any pictures of the gunfight. His wife Molly ran the boarding house, and she saved it from a fire, from the destruction by the fire. Yeah. He opened, and so he went to Phoenix and then Bisbee. So he went north and then south. October 12th, 1901, buried in the Tombstone Cemetery. Wow, that sucks. 1915, his stuff all burned. So he's probably in the original cemetery over there. But yeah. So this number 6 is the old City Hall. And we'll take video from the other side of town. And this has all been renovated. This has all been renovated. It's all modern in there. They have a modern police station and all of that in there. We'll get a better video from the other side of the street. Might have been better off just doing everything on one side of the street. So yeah, Tombstone City Hall. Opened in 1882. Frank Webster designed the building. Made of red brick. It was in continuous service since 1882 for mayors, marshals, and city officials. It housed the fire department's rescue hose number 2, placed in the National Register of Historic Places in 1972. Yeah, that's pretty cool. But yeah, it's all modern in there. So there's the town hall that's now the marshal's office. And then what was this? The gird block and the mining exchange. Huh. There's nothing here now.
But look at how big that building was.
Yeah. Wow. Built site. Yeah. Was a post office.
In a hotel.
Wow, so this is where the hearing into the Earps and the Holiday and Clantons went on. Huh. Mining exchange, dance hall.
It's just
These buildings succumbed. Wow. Wow.
Yeah, a lot of history.
Yeah. That's pretty cool.